Hello everyone, finally I'm live again. I just took a weekend off, can you say it like that? I thought I would be going live yesterday. It was a really long day yesterday and we went to the pool. Baby went underwater for the first time, like with her head underwater. So after that she was still a bit upset. She didn't like it at all. And it cost me a lot of time to get her to sleep because she was so tired, but she just kept crying and she was really upset because ever since she went underwater she was just a bit upset. So yeah, it was a bit scary for her and also for us, like going underwater with baby. It feels so unnatural to put her head like underwater. But it was nice, you know, not putting her on the water, but going to the pool before that, and she played with the toys right there. But she was really stoic. She was like, no emotions. And then we went on the water and then it was crying. So she was already a bit tired. So that was yesterday. We went to the pool and after that it was just, baby was just a bit upset. And then in the evening I really didn't have any energy to go live. And also the day before yesterday I didn't go live. Where has the consistency go? Where has it go? Where has it go? That sounds weird. Anyway, as you can see, I'm on Forex replay. And I did some trades. Some paper trades, some real backtesting trades. I never really used Forex Replay. This is my first time. And I just watched a tutorial on YouTube on how it works because I had no idea. And it's really cool. It is so cool because now I can trade the 1 hour time frame without actually needing to wait hours for my trade to play out. And it was one of my subscribers or multiple actually, that told me like, yeah, you should do some backtesting on Forex Replay. They also named some other backtesting programs, but this one, it's really, really good. I really like it. Let me just see if there's anyone online. And otherwise I'm just... Hi Michael. Welcome to the live. You are the first viewer and the only viewer right now. So at the moment it's just you and me. I'm just going to go back to Forex Replay. Look, this is the trade that I did. So for now I'm just focusing on the trend line strategy because that's the strategy that, you know, it's the most logical to me. Like it makes the most sense to me because visually it's really like easy to understand. So yeah, I'm just waiting for a breakout, and then once we have a breakout of a trend line, I enter the trade. And with this like backtesting program, it's so cool because I can really work on having a set system and using that system like a little checklist and doing that for every single trade and seeing if it works out and what my win rate is going to be, etc. I mean, you all know why backtesting is important and why it's very useful, but just seeing it and using it, and I can even like journal the trades, and then you can take a screenshot. You click take screenshot and it journals the trades, and it is so cool. Wow. If this really works for me and if I feel like I need the paid version for some features, or I think I have like a maximum of 50 trades I can do per month with the free version. But I think, yeah, if this really works for me, which I think it will, I'm going to pay for it because this is so cool. Okay. Anyway, so this is the trade that I did a few minutes ago. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. Gold. And as you can see, it was going down. And then here we had a break of the downward trend line. And I did a entry here, and then it went up and then it went down again. This is where I doubted a little bit, because I thought maybe my take profit is a bit too high, maybe it's just not going to go past this previous high. Then it went down, I was in the red, and then it went up again. So yeah, because of course this is the 1 hour time frame, and I often have with the 5 minutes that it breaks the trend line and then it just goes back, like back continuing the trend, so then you have a fake out. But now in the 1 hour time frame, that's not really, well, of course you still have fake outs, but like most of the time, well, we will see eventually with the backtesting, but most of the time, if you have a breakout, then that actually means something, right? Because the higher time frames, they hold more weight, the higher time frame trend lines. So if this was in real life, it was 1 day that I would be in this trade, exactly like 24 hours. Just see if there are other people in the live. No, still have 1 viewer. You know, it's the morning, and also like it's Monday morning, so maybe a lot of people are at work. But yeah, so now I'm just going to delete this one because I already journaled this trade. And now we are in an uptrend. I can connect these lines. Do you also have a ray? Let's see. I think yes. Wow! Yeah, basically it's trading view, but then with the backtesting. Okay, that's really cool. So I have 3 touch points here, and then I don't know if I should connect these. Well, let's just try it. Tup tup, tup tup. A really steep one. Okay, so right now this is not a setup. There is no setup for me, so I'm just going to let it continue. Wow, it's going up and up and up. Oh, there we go. Oh no, still going up. But it's losing momentum. Okay. It's going towards the trend line. Oh no, it's going up. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Ooh, that's a break of this trend line. Let's see if it's going to close under it. Yes, okay. Okay, let's just try. We are in a little uptrend, but it just created a lower low. I'm going to see what happens. Short position. Check. Oh, battery empty. That's the baby phone. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do it until here. So then it can go to this trend line. Let's see if it will do what I think it will do. Place order. Now here, this is a bit different than in TradingView, because in TradingView I can just type in my margin, like how many euros I want in the trade, and for my stop loss, like how many euros am I willing to risk for the trade. But here I actually need to calculate it, I think. So here we have estimated loss, estimated profit. Now it's a 1-to-1. Did I actually do the... Ah yeah, that's a 1-to-1. Let me do this on the other side of the trend line. So right here. That's the only thing with trend lines. I think with ICT, from what I've seen from screenshots of my subscribers, you can like put your stop loss on a very specific place, and with the trend lines it's just, oh yeah, somewhere at the other side of the trend line. So it's not that specific, like where do I put my stop loss? I'm aiming for a 1 to 2 risk to rewards. So 2, like this. Okay, now I'm going to place the order. Now I'm risking 10 euros for 20, or $10 for 20. Oh, you are so mesmerizing, dear. Thank you. Okay, I've got this, and now I actually need to calculate like the lot size, because I don't know how much I have in this trade, like 0.0108 lots. I don't have my calculator, wait. Let me just... Oh yeah, I also tried to use this, but I have no idea. Like I filled this in for another trade that I did, and lots trade side, it just says this. So I have no idea. Yeah, I don't really know how this works. Henk, he explained it to me on Discord, how it works with the lots. But anyway, I'm just going to enter this trade, and I'm risking 10 euro for 20, or $10 for 20. Let's just get into the trade and see how it plays out. So I think this is not with leverage, because the previous trades that I did right here, that was with like 1 day for $20 profit. So 1 entire day, this whole thing, and then just $20 profit. So I think the settings right now on my Forex replay are just no leverage, and my how do you say it, position size is really small. But I don't know how much, like what is my trade value? Well, let's just play out this trade, and then after that we can have a look. Maybe you guys can help me a bit to see how much I have in this trade. Okay, so this is so cool. Oh my god, I think, ooh, it almost took my take profit. No, don't go up. No, don't go to my stop loss. Ooh, no. Oh my god, no, really? Are you serious? No, but it hit my take profit. Why didn't it take my profit? Oh no. It's a loss. Why? Min 10 euros. How does that work? I don't understand, because it went down and it went until here. Why? And then I got stopped out. I don't understand why. If this was a real trade, then I should have made money on this and not be stopped out, right? Or did I do something wrong? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, size 0.11 lot. I don't know what the trade value was for this trade. Hello, welcome to the live. We have 3 viewers right now, so it's a really small live. Oh, 2 viewers. But I don't understand like why I didn't get the profits. Well, I'll just journal the trade and say, well done. This was not a losing trade. Look how cool. Screenshots, taking screenshots. Wow, that's amazing. That's so good for me to look back. Okay. Wait, actually, let me just do it like this, right? Because it was a good trade. It was a profitable trade. So I'm just going to do like this. Like this was the trade, okay? This is it. Journal trades. Look. Confidence level. I was pretty confident. But I don't know why I didn't take my... well, we had a break of the trend line. I entered. And yeah, I think it's a 4 stars. We had a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay. I don't know why it didn't take my take profits. Then it went up and I got stopped out. But normally it should have taken my take profits. Okay. So for now, realized P&L $17. Hi Tulabas, welcome back. Okay, so now I'm just going to see if we get another setup. I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so I don't think this I can see as a breakout because, well, it's the bullish trend line and now it's just going back to the bullish trend line. Oh, wow. Ooh. Okay, let's see if it's going to bounce on the bullish trend line. Oh, is it another breakout? Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it's indecisive. I just want a bit more confirmation. Ooh, phew. It's good that I didn't do a short position there just because I saw a breakout. Still going up. Oh, that's pretty clear. Let's see. Ooh, okay, okay. Well, here we go again. Short position. Check. This one just on the other side of the line. Let's be honest, if it's going to go sideways, then this is the other side. So this is what I mean right now. My stop loss is pretty far away. That's the only thing that I don't really like about trend lines, or I still need to find a system to make it a bit less risky, because that's a pretty big jump. But 0.47%, does that mean that I'm only risking 0.47% of my trades? I'm not sure. Okay, and here I'm just going to do it until here. So now I have a risk to reward of 2. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to place the order. So I'm risking 10% for 20 euros. Safe. Here we go. We're in the trade. Ooh. Oh no, I don't want to see that. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, no. I got stopped out. Okay. Okay, here we go. It was a fake out. Okay. Well, this is really good because once I've done a lot more trades, like more than 50 trades, I think. From what amount of trades would you say is like you can get enough data to see if your strategy is working, your risk management is working or not. Is it 100 trades, or do you think already from 50 trades it's good? Did you work on what I said to you? No, Tulebas. I didn't watch the news. Well, a little bit. I watched the spicy news about Elon Musk and Trump. But that's about it. I watched Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin, he did an episode on it. And he said something like, if Trump is going to... But that's about the Tesla stock. And yeah, it was just a spicy episode about the things between Elon Musk and Trump. You only have 20 USD from 500 USD paper dollars. Hey, Freckle. Freckle. Freckle isn't my real name, by the way. But you only have 20 USD from 500 USD. I don't know how much... Oh no. I know what you mean. This is not my paper trading account on TradingView. This is Forex Replay, and I'm backtesting right now. So on my TradingView, I'll just show you. I don't have only my 20 euros. Okay, I didn't blow up my account. I know you really want to see that I blew up my account, but my TradingView account is still good. Let me just go to the charts. See on super charts. It is having a really nice nap, by the way. She's had the nap for like 2 hours right now. She's been napping. Yeah. So yeah, let's go here. I did lose 147. Well, but I still have 602. So basically, you know, I started with my 500 euros. I'm still 100 plus, like 100 euros in profits. So I didn't blow up my account, okay? This is Forex Replay. And here my account is set on 1000, I think. 1000. But I don't really know, like, if I get in a trade, what my, like, how much I put in the trade, because I need to calculate it. It's not as easy as TradingView. In TradingView, I can just put my margin and see how much money I'm risking for the take profit. It's a lot easier to see. But here I need to calculate the lot size, something like that, like the position size. But yeah, I just got stopped out here. Okay, so this was a fake out. I'm going to journal the trades. How would I prevent these kind of things? What do I need to wait for? Maybe the candles were a bit too small, and maybe I should have waited for like a bigger candle, like a lot more selling pressure. Because here the candles are a bit small and they just go sideways, and maybe I should have waited for like a big candle like this. Not sure why this trade didn't work out. Let me just take a screenshot. Nice. That's really cool, because then at the end of these trades I'll have like a really good journal with screenshots, and I can just look back at all the trades I've done. Confidence level, I think it was a 60. I wasn't that confident because the candles weren't really big. Trade rating 2, well 3. It was a breakout. I waited for my setup. And my risk to reward was 1 to 2, so that's also good. But yeah, it was a fake out. Fake out. Wait for bigger candles slash more confirmation next time. Oh yeah, here. Did I do the journal? Not sure. Yes. And save. No. Oh no. Okay. Maybe I have to ICT. Who knows? No, but trend lines, they work. They work. I just have to like get a bit more practice. So here we go again. I'm just going to draw some more lines because now I have this, and I'm just going to remove this one. Okay. Let's continue. Doop, doop, doop. Oh wow, it's going up and up and up and up and up and up. Oh wow. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I think, yes, this is a big candle. Let's go. Let's do a short position. Choop choop. This one on the other side of the trend line. This one until I see 1 to 2. Perfect. 2. Okay, let me place the order. See, this is what I mean. Normally with TradingView I can just set like my margin, and here well, here I don't know. Take profit is on this level. Take profit in ticks. Stop loss in ticks. Well, I'm just risking 10 euros for 20. $10 for 20. Okay, let's see. I'm excited for this one. I feel pretty confident because that's a really big candle. But we are in an uptrend, and it feels weird to short in an uptrend. But oh, there we go. No. Ooh. Oh my god, it's a roller coaster of emotions. No, don't go up. Don't go up. No, 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 no. Ooh. Ooh. This is exciting. Oh my god, no. I got stopped out. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Yep, it's just going up. No, no, okay. There was no chance it was going down. Okay. Now I feel kind of like I'm gambling. Oh no. Because there was a clear breakout. You see? It's a beautiful trend line. Okay. Okay. If I just did my take profit here, but then my risk to reward would be like a lot less. It would have been how much? 1.43. I don't know if that's really good. That's always in hindsight. Oh, I could have taken my profits right here. But no, I got stopped out. Okay. So what did we learn from this trade? Well, let's see. I'm just going to take the screenshot. Oh, remove this journal. The system, like how it works, it's really good. It is really good. Like taking the screenshot and it just does like, wow, it's amazing. Oh my god. Ask yourself again, did banks, brokers trade like that? There's a quote that I know, take it and don't hate it. What I mean, the hard truth. Put your effort in a very hard thing and you will see how all things changes to good. Ask yourself, did you were fit taking a trade based on breakout? What do you mean with did you were fit taking a trade based on breakout? And no, I don't think that banks or brokers trade with trend lines. No, but it works. Like Tori trades. Tori trades. She's making money. She's profitable. My subscriber, he sent me a lot of screenshots of his trades with trend lines. That was really cool to see as well. That's kind of what got me interested. Like, okay, wow, yeah, this makes sense to me. But now it's up to me to test it for myself and get better at it. Baby's wiggling. I also need to make the breakfast for the husband in a few minutes, so I'm just going to do a bit more trades, unless if baby is awake right now. She's looking around. Okay, now let me just see what it's going to do, because now it's been just moving sideways for multiple hours. Maybe this is even one day. Wednesday until Monday. Oh wow! And it's just moving sideways. Okay. Oh, baby's awake. Okay, I'm going to get baby. And I'm going to make the breakfast for the husband. And then after that I'm going to continue backtesting. And until I have my 50 trades, because I have 50 trades that I can do in the free version of Forex Replay. And then after 50 trades I have a bit more data. And I'm just going to continue following this strategy. And then after the 50 trades I'll have a bit more data to see where I'm at with the win rate and or the lose rate, I don't know. And if I'm going to continue learning this, or maybe do another paper trading session with 50 trades minimum of like smart money concepts. We'll see. Right now I'm just figuring things out. So oh, I was just about to say I'm going to get baby, but the sleep is too good. Oh no, she's awake again. Okay. So let's see. Breakout, fake breakout, and all technical analysis is not an edge. You should not take a trade based on breakout trend line. Hello Freckle, how's family and baby? Good. Yeah, baby is really good. She went underwater for the first time yesterday. We went to the pool. And it was a baby swim lesson, and she went underwater for the first time. She didn't like that at all. So after that she was a bit upset. And now she's been sleeping a lot because she's got a lot to, you know, how do you say that? A lot to register in her mind, like what happened? I went underwater. So yeah, but she's awake right now. And I said to you, don't follow influencers, how they trade. Use your brain, think and think. Yes, that's true, but trend lines, it works. Also for some of my subscribers, it works. But I'll see if it works for me. Because, you know, I can hop from one strategy to the other. But I first want to focus on this strategy. Like really get the data out of it. See how it works after like 50 trades. So yeah, I'm going to get baby because she's just looking at the door, waiting for me to come there. So I will see you in the next live, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But I'm going to do a lot more backtesting on Forex Replay because it's really good. I really like this. It's so nice. So yeah, I hope you will all have a really nice day, and I will see you maybe later today and otherwise it's tomorrow. Okay, bye bye everyone. Bye.